Hi students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Now we are going to discuss assignment number 28, class 10, and topic is globalization. See, first question, MNC means A. Managing national community, B. Major national calamity, C. Mughals National Committee, D. Multinational company. Yes, multinational company is the answer. Yes, multinational company is answer. Next, second, the criteria for selecting a site for operation of MNCs are availability of dash labor at low cost. See, A. Proximity to the markets, skilled and unskilled. B. Good roadways, permanent. C. Good government, skilled. D. Bank facilities, unskilled. Yes, answer is A. Next, third one, the money that MNCs spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines and other equipment is called A. State government investment, B. Central government investment, C. Foreign investment, D. National investment. National investment. C is the answer, foreign investment. Next, fourth one. Many of the top MNCs have wealth exceeding the entire budgets of the dash country governments. A. Underdeveloped, B. Developing, C. Developed, D. Foreign. Answer, developed. C answer. Next, both export and import of a country is called dash trade. That is called B answer. Fifth one, B, foreign. Next, sixth one, industries were just coming up in India in the A, 1940s, B, 1950s to 1960s, C, 1970s and 1980s, D, 1990s. Answer is B, 1950s and 1960s. Then move to the descriptive type questions. Seventh question, would you say Ford Motors is an MNC? Why? Yes, if you see, yes, I would say Ford Motors is an American multinational company and it is one of the world's largest automobile production company spread over 26 countries, and then it sold 27,000 cars in Indian market in 2004. Next point, in 2004, 24,000 cars were exported from India to South Africa, Brazil and Mexico. That's why we can say that Ford company is an MNC, multinational company, and it is one of the famous companies of the world, one of the famous automobile companies of the world. Next question. Yes, distinguish between foreign trade and foreign investment. Yes, see the differences between foreign investment and foreign trade. See, once the first point is the money that MNC spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines and other equipment is called foreign investment. See, foreign trade. The foreign trade of a country consists of both exports and imports and goods and services. That is the difference between foreign investment and foreign trade. And next one is second point. It is made with the hope that it will earn profits. And here foreign trade creates an opportunity for the producers to reach beyond the domestic markets. Domestic markets means the native market. Next, third point, local companies are joined by MNCs to get investment and technology. And here, for buyers, foreign trade expands the choice of goods beyond what is domestically produced in our country. Next point, these have enormous wealth and exercise power, and here it results in connecting the markets or integration of markets in different countries. This is called the real globalization, means connecting the countries in marketing, international marketing. Yes, this is the end of this assignment. Thank you.